Skate shoes are more than just footwear. They're performance gear designed to balance grip, board feel, impact protection, and durability under repetitive trick loading. The category spans lifestyle-influenced sneakers and purpose-built skate models, appealing to casual riders and serious rail skaters alike. For this analysis,
List number 1. Adidas Men's Daily 3.0 Sneaker. The Daily 3.0 is a budget-friendly skate-inspired shoe from Adidas, featuring a vulcanized rubber outsole for classic skate style, combined with modern materials and soft cushioning. The emphasis is on everyday wearability, with a light, versatile silhouette that translates well from street to skate park. Prospective buyers get recognizable Adidas branding, with a straightforward construction that prioritizes comfort and a clean aesthetic at a compelling price point of $39. Performance and use cases. The vulcanized outsole suggests reliable grip for flat ground tricks and approach to landing consistency, while the soft cushioning enhances impact comfort during longer sessions. The shoe leans more toward casual skate sessions and daily wear rather than aggressive technical skating. It works well for beginners seeking a forgiving, low-profile option and for riders who value a classic look with dependable durability at a robust budget. Materials and builds are adequate for light to moderate skating. However, long-term stiffness or outsole wear may emerge with heavier abuse or high-frequency trick work.
List number 2. DC Women's Court Graphic Casual Skate Shoe. The DC Court Graphic is presented here as a DC shoes model positioned for casual skatewear with a legacy of performance-first design latched to street-ready aesthetics. Priced at $57.84, it blends DC's ongoing commitment to progression with a strong cultural presence in skate fashion, offering a proven silhouette for riders seeking a familiar, supportive fit with modern styling cues. Performance and use cases. The graphic line is renowned for comfort and a stable heel, suitable for all-day wear and park sessions. For skaters focusing on street tricks, the shoe should provide ample grip and protection without overly compromising flexibility. The shoe's broader silhouette may suit riders with wider feet or those who prioritize a padded collar and a secure lockdown. Expect improved traction and durability from DC's long-standing materials engineering, though the exact outsole compound and midsole foam density can influence how aggressively you push it on hard stair sets or rails.
List number 3. DC Men's Pure Skate Shoe. The DC Pure Skate Shoe targets everyday wear with a balance of comfort, durability, and distinctive DC aesthetics. At $39.19, it sits near the budget end of the spectrum, emphasizing trend-aware design and DC's signature approach to combining art with skate performance. Performance and use cases. The DC Pure is well-suited for riders who want a dependable all-around shoe with a solid grip and decent board feel without paying premium prices. It should handle routine street sessions and light park use well, with predictable break-in and a forgiving fit. However, skaters who demand high-level impact protection, advanced grip compounds, or specialized toe cap reinforcements might lean towards higher-end DC or competing brands. The value proposition rests on durability and affordability rather than cutting-edge tech.
List number 4. DVS Men's Comanche Skateboarding Shoe. The DVS Comanche is the premium option in this lineup at $62.97, representing a brand known for originality and a diverse range of performance products. It targets skaters who want a high-quality, forward-looking design with a focus on innovation and performance across disciplines. Performance and use cases. Expect robust construction, enhanced midsole cushioning, and a more responsive feel under elevated impact conditions such as stairs, ledges, and park sessions. The Comanche's positioning suggests improved durability and board control, making it suitable for riders who push the limits and need a shoe that can handle frequent hard landings and technical tricks. This model should appeal to serious skaters and those who value a stronger, more protective package without sacrificing style.
List number 5. DC Pure Carbon Gum 11.
The DC Pure Carbon Gum 11 variant is a flavor of the DC Pure line that adds carbon-inspired styling or material accents with a gum outsole, priced at $51.91. It sits as a mid-range option that aims to blend performance with distinctive visual cues. Performance and use cases. This model should offer a step up in styling and potentially improved outsole durability due to carbon-inspired accents, while maintaining approachable comfort and grip for everyday skating. It's a versatile choice for skaters who want a contemporary look without stepping up to premium price brackets. The material choices may influence breathability and flex characteristics, affecting long session comfort and foot fatigue over time.